This is Flip TV. President Bola Tinubu has presented Nigerians 58.18 trillion 2026 appropriation bill to a joint section of the National Assembly with 15.52 trillion naira earmarked for debt servicing, representing about 26.7% of total spending. The budget team budget of Consolidation, Renewed Resilience and Shared Prosperity projects total revenue of 34.33 trillion naira, leaving a 23.85 trillion naira deficit, equivalent to 4.28% of GDP. According to the president, the 2026 fiscal plan is designed to consolidate ongoing economic reforms, stabilize the macroeconomic environment, and translate recovery into improved living standards for Nigeria. Tinubu disclosed that defense and security received the largest allocation of 5.41 trillion naira, reflecting the administration's emphasis on tackling terrorism, bandits, kidnapping, and other security challenges. Infrastructure followed with 3.56 trillion naira, education 3.52 trillion naira, and health 2.48 trillion naira. He acknowledged the heavy burden of debt servicing but assured Nigerians that his administration remains committed to fiscal sustainability, transparency, and value for money spending. The president said recent reforms are already yielding results, citing 3.98% GDP growth in Q3 2025. Declining inflation at 14.45%, improved oil production, and external reserves rising to about $47 billion, a 7-year high. Tinubu also announced that Nigeria will end the long-standing practice of running multiple overlapping budgets. From April 2026, the country will operate a single disciplined budget cycle aimed at eliminating abandoned projects and unpaid contractor obligations. He further warned government-owned enterprises to meet revenue targets, stressing that digitized revenue collection, real-time monitoring, and strict performance evaluations will be enforced. The president expressed optimism that stronger tax administration and oil sector reforms would significantly boost revenue, insisting that 2026 budget prioritizes security, infrastructure, and human capital as the foundation of national renewal. This is Flip TV News.